For anyone worried about the kids learning English, there will be some channels such as 5 Minutes with Uncle Ben, Basics from Peter and Jane, Peppa Pig Courteous English in Friendly Conversation, Cookie Swirl C in Polite Language by a Sweet Girl to introduce lots of toys and games. To learn more about English pronunciation for intermediate speakers, there will be some YouTubers such as Susie Woo, Tai Solution, and莎白Elizabeth to introduce about the culture and lifestyle other than other learning materials. BBC Learning English is a good platform for learning English through different news and conversations. It provides people with the latest news, whether it is cultural, technological, or any globally environmental problems, and there are podcasts on proverbs and conversation. It is also available on Android Play Store or App Store for anyone who is interested in learning any languages. For anyone who likes to watch cartoon, there is a good way to learn different knowledge through English cartoons such as this Crash Course. It is run by a group of charity and it provides a lot of informatics on history, sciences, economics, and policy, which is very helpful for kids to understand anything, even for adults. For any comprehensive knowledge, it is very important to learn it systematically to avoid any error. So Khan Academy is a US-based platform to learn history, sciences, computing, economics, and policy, US exams, and also different tutorials. It also includes some of career information and also difficult medical and astrological knowledges. For any avid learner, it will be very interesting to gain STEM knowledge, which is based on science, technology, engineering, and maths through documentary. There are a few channels such as World Economy Forum, which is and DW Documentary, which is more like a broadcast company, and Veritasium, which is based on a lot of visits to different sites, and also Nile Red, who has a lot of hands-on information on doing experiment. Do note that some of the experiment might be dangerous. And this is a little screenshot of cartoons and different documentary from distinguished Disney and also 21st Century Fox. Hopefully this resources over here is helpful for you to learn different languages and also acquire different knowledges and become a more responsible person. Thank you.